Greetings. Welcome to my channel. Tag question for practice part 14. S.S.C Sylhet Board 2020. Everyone is nostalgic in life. Everyone is nostalgic in life, aren't they? We hardly forget the golden past. We hardly forget the golden past, do we? The memories of childhood are always haunting us. The memories of childhood are always haunting us, aren't they? The sweetest memories of childhood is colorful. The sweetest memories of childhood is colorful, isn't it? Who forget these memories? Who forget these memories, do they? Like, share and subscribe, please. Learn with Jahangir Sir. Thanks for watching. Till today. Jahangir Alam, teacher, UCEP Bangladesh.